Let's see Gongura chicken in my style. For this, wash Gongura leaves and then chop them and keep it aside. Into a heated pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil and add Gongura leaves into the pan. Here I have taken 4 cups of Gongura. Fry Gongura leaves until they turn soft. Once they are soft, add half teaspoon of salt into the pan. Continue cooking until the leaves turn completely soft and juicy. Here I'm adding a glass of water because my family enjoys the soft version of Gongura. Close lid and then let it cook for 2 minutes. So here you can see the Gongura is completely cooked and juicy. Turn off the flame and keep it aside. Take onions, tomatoes, green chilies, wash them and chop them. Into a heated pan, add 6 tablespoons of oil, add cumin seeds, add chopped onions, and then add green chilies and then fry them. Add whole spices of your choice and then continue frying the onions. Add ginger garlic paste and fry onions until oil separates from onions. Now it's time to add marinated chicken into the pan. For marination I have used chili powder, salt and turmeric powder. You can adjust the spice levels according to your choice. And then continue cooking chicken for 5 minutes in high flame. Add tomatoes and then continue cooking. Close lid and let it cook for some time. Continue cooking until the chicken releases water from it. Once you feel the chicken is almost cooked, then it's time to add the cooked Gongura leaves into the pan. Mix the Gongura paste into the curry. And then close the lid and let the curry cook for some time. Add few pudina leaves and then add coriander leaves and continue cooking. Now it's time to add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and then mix the powder really well into the curry. Now it's time to add a glass of water to adjust the consistency. Add salt according to your taste. Now it's time to add a pinch of garam masala powder and then mix everything. Gongura chicken is almost ready to serve. Enjoy this delicious curry with steamed rice, and also it goes well with rotis. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. For more quick recipes, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Happy cooking.